Got Mr. Brian here loading up all the sod we're tearing out for the sprinkler project. I'm the backstop. Got the blade for him. We're gonna see how many fence posts you can tear out. My money's on 2. But luckily we don't have to cut this to a pretty grade. We just gotta dig it out so we can put rock in. Get most of it cleared out low enough that the rock doesn't get on the sidewalk. That's an operator right there. Look at that. I was pleasantly surprised he even let me in the excavator today. This is my 3rd day running one. I gotta say, I was nervous. But half the fun is doing stuff you're not comfortable doing. We're running 2 dump trucks, getting all this hauled out, getting at least a load of rock in. I'll show you when we get down there the approach we have to fill in. That's gonna be, it's gonna be interesting if we don't get rock in there. We're digging that one down. It gets probably 6 inches depending on where the water lines are for compaction. One day I'll get all these works figured out. But yeah, that's kind of the project today. The start of it. 8 o'clock in the morning, and we've already got 1 dump truck out. It's not bad when you're trying to fill it with a teaspoon and a tablespoon. Hey bud, we are starting day 4. I know I told you I'd get more video for you, but I didn't. Kind of let you down on that one. It's just been busy, and I told you safety lady was coming in, so couldn't really film with her around. So we decided that we're gonna re-dig out that trench I was showing you. I think I showed you. And get some of the line laid out. I'll see if I can get some video with that. Problem is, I'm one of the only guys that knows what's going on with it, so I have to be guiding everybody else. Can't do a lot of filming with it. But it's gonna be all day. Hopefully we can get most of this buttoned up, pothole, and find the few corners that we got to get to for the rest of the sprinkler line. Not tear too much up. I nailed one yesterday. I'll have to show you the picture of that one. Luckily, it's a line that we're going to tear out anyways, but I didn't realize how soft that pipe was with an excavator. Like, usually I can feel some of it. No. I went right through it, clean through it. Not right through it, clean through it. And yeah, I smoked it. I'll try and put that picture in if I can figure out how to do it, and maybe a little more video doing some of the digging and pipe work. But just figured I'll let you know what I'm doing, bud. So we uncovered the water main ditching this out, laying in this PVC pipe. And I just realized, you can see the water tape that says don't dig there unless you absolutely have to. That was drilled out with an auger. Before that, I don't know what I'm saying, but they got really close to hitting that water main when they drilled that out. That's just crazy. So we gotta go shopping, of course. It's kind of like expecting a concrete truck to show up on time. The sprinkler parts, you never have what you need, then you go shopping for everything you need, then you find out you need different stuff. So that's what I'm doing. We're gonna pick up 2 new boxes for the valves, and then we're going to have a list. We thought this one through. I think we're still a couple pieces short. A couple T's, unions, boxes, plugs. But I got most of the trenching done. So it's gonna be cut and glue, and hopefully everything sticks together and doesn't leak. Because I don't have well, I got a couple of 2-inch unions in the van. But it's not my van, it's not my job. Why am I going shopping? Need to make that phone call. Well, I'll see what more I can get filmed up later. Maybe get some cutting and whatnot. Now the project. Finishing up the pipe. I got everything glued, new box, valve put in, our little T so we can run our PVC for our flower beds. And yeah, now the math starts. Got these last elbows, we need 145, and then the last run. This is for my son. He likes to see what I do.